morning. Today, 21 July 2020, me, Alia Ghosh, news anchor from Lavafara Media, here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. We are in Haryana as Rajasthan cops sounding us pilot camp. New Delhi, the Sachin pilot camp has countered Congress criticism that rebel MLAs have sought shelter in Haryana, where BJP is in office, saying CM Ashok Gehlot has held party MLAs in resort and should allow them to go to their homes. Sources close to pilot said MLAs opposed to Gehlot were being hounded by Rajasthan police and they were in no position to return to Jaipur while they would be subjected to coercive tactics. A special operations group has been set after them. Congress has no basis to ask whether the MLAs are in one state or another. An MLA said the pilot camp claimed that the MLAs were in fact not at the hotel in Manesar, which has been the focus of much attention. It was pointed out that the MLAs were fending for themselves and would be ready to participate in a floor test whenever it was held. The rebels continued to insist that they were not responsible for the escalation of hostilities, saying Gehlot had taken a series of hostile steps. If he says there was no conversation with pilot for 18 months, then what sort of government was running? A source asked. With the focus on court proceedings on Monday, the rebel camp expect to point to the haste with which the speaker has acted in serving notices and seeking responses on the issue of disqualification. The MLAs intended to argue that there was a premeditated intent to ensure the disqualification to benefit the Gehlot government in India. The rebels said CM's majority claims were on paper and the true situation would emerge if the MLAs were let free. The legal battle may continue even if the speaker has his way, as the MLAs will approach the Supreme Court. More news. PM Modi fabricated strongman image has become India's biggest weaknesses, Rahul Gandhi. New Delhi, reiterating that China has still occupied India's territory, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Monday attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that he has fabricated a fake strongman image to come to power, which has now become India's biggest weakness as he has to protect the idea of 56 inch. Taking to the Twitter, the Congress leader posted a video message and wrote, PM fabricated a fake strongman image to come to power. It was his biggest strength. It is now India's biggest weakness. In the video message, speaking on China's strategic game plan, the Congress leader said, what is China's strategic and tactical game plan? It is simply not a border issue. The worry I have is that the Chinese are sitting in a territory board. Chinese don't do anything without thinking about it strategically. In their mind, they have mapped out the world and they are trying to shape the world. That's the scale of what they are doing. That's what Godar is. That is what Belt and Road is. It is a restructuring of the planet. So when you are thinking about the Chinese, you have to understand that this is the level at which they are thinking, he added. Thanking you.